Hello everyone. Today we are looking into LeetCode Problem 145, that is binary tree post-order traversal. So let's see the problem statement once. So here we are given a tree node and we need to find the post-order traversal. So to solve this problem we must know uh, post-order traversal, and that is enough to solve this problem. So what is post-order traversal? So in post-order traversal, first we will consider the left, and then we will consider the right, and at the end we can consider the particular node value. So first we will consider the left node, and then next right node, and that particular current node value. In this order we will consider the flow. So for this one, here we have one, two, three, and one is the root node, and two is left, right for the root node, and two have one child node, that is three, which is to the left side. So when we are considering, first way we should prioritize the left ones. That means here the one root node is not having any left ones, so that's why we can skip this part. And and to consider one, first we need to consider two, right? So after writing down, after adding this two only, then only we can consider one. But for adding two, first we must consider three, as this two three is also a node, tree node. So the three and next two and next one. So we can do, let's see how this particular example works. So for this one, again it's the same thing. One is the root node, and all these 2, 4, 6, 5, 7. This is left node, and 3, 8, 9 is right node. When coming to this particular part, 2 is the root node, and 4 is the child, and 5 is the child. So first we should consider 4. Okay. And then after 4 we can consider 5, but before considering 5, 5 should be comes after the respective left node of 5 and right node, right? So 5 is having one right node and one left node, and in this one, here you can see this one 6 is not having any child, so we can directly consider 6. Then 7, as we must consider right, then the value which is 5. Then after 5 we can consider 2. So we completed this 5 part, and now we should come to 389. This one will come at the end only. Okay. So when coming to 389, 3 is not having any left value, so we can consider right, that is 8. But before considering right, 8 is having one child node, that is 9, which is left node. So we must consider this first, then 8. Then after completing 8 we can consider 3, then 1. So this is the post-order traversal for example 2. So we seen some examples, we try to understand the problem. Let's dive into code part of the issue. So here we need to return a list, right? So I'm taking one variable of list. It is a standard pattern that I'm following from the last three videos. So for the previous in order and pre-order also I followed the same one. So here I'm creating a list, I'm taking an helper, and I'm passing the root and list. And after helping does his work, we can return the list. And let me build the helper method. Helper method is nothing but we are passing root as the first parameter and list of integers as the next parameter. So what is the flow? First we need to consider left, then right, then value. Value is nothing but adding root value to the list. Okay, and when come to right, we should call helper method from right node. Okay, by passing list. When coming to left, it's the same thing. Helper method. At this time, we need to pass left node and list. And we have some situations where root can be null, so we need to skip those situations. That is, root, if root is not equals to none, then we can move further. That's it. So this is the code. Let's give it a try. Yes, it's working fine. So let's submit it. Yes. So this is about post order traversal. So we solved it by using recursion. This is the best solution, yes. So that's it for today. Thank you.